Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome! I'm so excited to have you. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to every new parent's heart, and probably keeping them up at night. We're talking about how to soothe a crying newborn, specifically during those nighttime hours when you crave sleep the most. Remember, every baby is different, and what works for one might not work for another. And of course, this information is for educational purposes only and should not replace the guidance of your pediatrician. Let's get started. Let's face it, sometimes the simplest answer is the right one. When those tiny tummies are empty, they let us know. If it feels like your baby is crying excessively, especially if it's been a while since their last feeding, try offering them a little more milk. Newborns have tiny tummies and they digest their food quickly. This means they need to eat frequently, especially if you're breastfeeding. So, trust your instincts and your baby's cues. If they seem hungry, feed them. Okay, this one might seem obvious, but trust me, a dirty diaper can be a major source of discomfort for your little one. Think about it. Would you want to sit around in a soiled diaper? Probably not. So, if your baby is fussy and you've ruled out hunger, it's time to check that diaper. And remember, even a slightly wet diaper can be irritating for sensitive skin, so when in doubt, change it out. We all know that feeling of being uncomfortably full after a big meal, and babies are no exception. Gas can be a real pain for little ones, leading to that telltale crying that seems to come out of nowhere. If you suspect gas might be the culprit, try some gentle burping techniques. Hold your baby upright, supporting their head and neck, and gently pat or rub their back. You can also try laying them on their back and gently moving their legs in a bicycling motion to help release trapped gas. Imagine being bombarded with bright lights, loud noises, and constant activity. That's what it can feel like for a newborn who's overstimulated. If your baby seems overwhelmed, it's time to create a calming environment. Dim the lights, turn down the TV, and speak in soothing tones. You can also try swaddling your baby to give them a sense of security and comfort. Sometimes, all it takes is a little peace and quiet to soothe their frazzled nerves. Now, if you've tried all of these tips and your baby is still inconsolable, it's essential to trust your gut and reach out to your pediatrician. Persistent crying could be a sign of an underlying issue that needs medical attention. Don't hesitate to call your doctor if you're concerned about your baby's crying, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms like fever, vomiting, or diarrhea. Remember, you know your baby best, and advocating for their health is always the right thing to do. So there you have it. A few tips and tricks to help you decode those nighttime cries and soothe your little one back to sleep. Remember, patience and a whole lot of love go a long way in those early months. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more parenting tips and advice. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow parents who might be up late Googling "Why is my baby crying?" Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams to you and your little one.